Okay, so I'll give you a tour of my cage. There's Ike right there. Tunes, hey, leave him alone. Come on, don't do that. There's Luna. Come here. Hey, fuzzy butt. There's Luna. And that's Starling and Kilo, Callie. And there's Leaf down there. So all together there's 7 in here. Now we gotta find Felix. Oh, there's Fee, right there. There's Mr. Fee. Okay, no. See what's happening right now? Tunes wants Ike's hut, and Callie's in the bottom. Come on. Now. Come on. Leave him be. Tunes. You. Callie, get out. Come on. Shoo. Shoo. This is like the bedtime craziness. Fee's down here innocently minding his own business. And you are being nothing but a problem. Yeah. Tunes. Hey, Luna, don't. Stop it. Tunes. The reason why I'm calling her Tunes is because her name is actually Luna, but it became Looney Tunes. Tunes, leave him alone. Come on. Leave him alone. Don't be bicky. Don't be bicky. Tunes. Got like the siege on his hut right now. I'll show you the new toys. There's one there. This is Tunes trying to say hi to Ike, but Ike doesn't want anything to do with her because he's tired. And there's another one right there. You can kind of see it there. That would be Mookie rubbing his bars. Up there you can kind of see some of the foot toys. Luna, leave him alone. Leave poor Ike alone. Oh, now we got fighting over there. Callie, hey, be nice. No fighting. You're all gonna go to sleep without fighting tonight.